Tired of feeling like you're constantly chasing your money? You're not alone. Many people struggle to keep track of their finances, especially with multiple bank accounts and ever-changing expenses. That's where budgeting tools like YNAB, You Need a Budget, come in. But here's the burning question: does YNAB actually work with all banks? YNAB is a powerful budgeting method that focuses on giving your money a job. Instead of tracking spending after the fact, you allocate funds to specific categories: groceries, rent, entertainment, before you even spend a dime. But for this system to truly work, you need to accurately track all your income and expenses. This is where bank integrations come into play. YNAB offers direct connections to many major banks, allowing you to easily import transactions. This automated process saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. No more manually entering every single purchase. However, YNAB doesn't have universal bank compatibility. The good news is they're constantly expanding their list of supported institutions. But if your bank isn't currently integrated, don't despair. YNAB provides alternative methods for importing transactions. You can often upload your bank statements directly or manually enter them. While manual entry takes more effort, YNAB provides helpful tools to streamline the process. You can use their recurring transactions feature to automate regular bills and categorize past expenses with a few clicks. Ultimately, whether or not YNAB works perfectly with your bank depends on your specific financial situation. If you have a straightforward banking setup with a supported institution, the integration will be seamless. If your bank isn't supported, you'll need to invest a bit more time in manual entry. But remember, the core of YNAB lies in its budgeting philosophy, not necessarily in its bank integrations. With consistent effort and a bit of flexibility, you can make YNAB work for you, regardless of your bank's compatibility. So, don't let a lack of direct integration deter you from taking control of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.